exercise 4.1. Question number 1, filling the blanks. You have to do it in book only. In 4 raised to 3, what is base and what is index. Downward number is called base, upward number is called index, a power, a exponential. 4 is base and 3 is the index. Like that here, 3 is base and 5 is the index. 64 you want in index form, a exponential form, a power notation form, you have to factorize 64. Factorization you already studied in 5th class. For what? For finding the LCM. Okay. 64. How many 2's are there? 6 2's are there. You multiply 2 6 times, you will get a 64. Like that, 1000 also. See, 3 2's are there, 3 5's are there. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3. Power same. You have to combine the power and multiply the base. Okay, children. See here, 64 2 raised to 6, 1000, 10 raised to 3. Now 7 power 4. Maybe read us how to read. 7 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 5. But day to day life we are reading 7 raised to 4, 5 raised to 5. Okay. Express the following in power notation. Already you know how to write in power notation by factorization. Okay. We will check it out each question. 64 divided by 729. 64 already we factorized. 2 raised to 6. 729 also you have to factorize. You will get a 3 raised to 6. How many 3? 6 3's. Okay. Now you will get a 64 divided by 729 is 2 raised to 6 divided by 3 raised to 6. Combine the power. Next 8 by 343. 8 you factorize. 2 3 times you will get. 343 you factorize. 7 3 times you will get. Power you combine. You write. 343 you factorize. How many 7? 3 same you will get. Next, minus 1331 divided by 729. Factorize, you will get minus 11 raised to 3, 3 raised to 6. 729 factorizing, 3 raised to 6 you will get. 1331 factorize, you will get 11 raised to 3. Question number 3. 3 raised to 4 divided by 3. The whole cube. 3 raised to 4 divided by 3. 1 3. From 4 3 you can cut out 1 3 here also. Then left out 3. 3 raised to 3. The whole raised to 3. 1 base 2 power you have to multiply. 3 raised to 9. 3 9 times you multiply, you will get the answer. Like 5 2 times, 9 2 times, 3 3 times, 5 3 times. Any number raised to 0 is 1. Cut out, you will get a 1 by 15. Okay, note 15 children. Most of the children cutting correctly. After that they will write 15. That is totally wrong. Okay, denominator 15 is there. Upward numerator 1. Now, take reciprocal minus 5. Minus sign will be keep here. This minus can write here also. Okay. Minus 5 by 3 into then negative will become to positive. If you take reciprocal, negative will become to positive. Okay. 2 by 5 the whole square. Minus 5 4 times. 3 also 4 times. 2 2 times. 5 2 times. I already told you why you taken reciprocal, because minus 3 minus 4 times you can't write. You don't know how to write minus 4 times. So you are making minus 4 to positive 4. Okay. After that you cut out, you will get 100 divided by 81. Fourth question. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Base same, power you have to add up because multiplication is there. Minus 2 5 times, that is minus 32. 3 raised to 5 is 243. Question number 4. Minus 2 by 3 whole square the whole cube. 1 base 2 power you have to multiply minus 2 raised to 6, 3 raised to 6 minus 2 6 times you will get 64, 3 raised to 6 729. Like that 3 powers you have to multiply 3 raised to 8 minus 1 raised to 8 minus 1 raised to even power, then 1 only. 3 raised to 8 is 6561. 3 2 are 6, 1 base 2 power you have to multiply 3 raised to 6, 2 raised to 6, multiply 3 6 times, 2 6 times. Okay, question number 5 you have to do it in your textbook only. I hope everybody understood. Clear, children? Okay, now question number 5. Express each of the following in exponential form. How many 3 by 11 is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 raised to 3 by 11 raised to 6. Here minus 5 you can cut out. What will left out? Minus 5 square. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 times minus 9 by 2. Clear, children? Question number 1 and question number 5 you have to do it in textbook only. Rest of the problem you have to do it in copy. You have to study by heart and understand the rules in exponential, which of them I explained in introduction part. Okay. See here, a raised to m divided by b raised to m equal to equal power. You have to combine the base. This rule I applied here. Base different but power equal, so you are combining the power. Here base equal, power different, multiplication you are adding. What is the rule? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Here 1 base 2 power you are multiplying. What is the rule? A raised to m the whole raised to n equal to a raised to mn. Like this each problem, what are the rule you are applying in stepwise, you have to write straight away. This also includes mark. Okay.